So hi guys, welcome back to the video, and we got a new parcel straight from China. So this parcel I got from China, but I bought it from an Indian website, so they got it from China and gave it to me, something like that. So as you can see, the made in China branding. So actually it's from a website named Felzone. So I will put a link in description for this. So I bought this one for 700ish, something like 700 rupees, and I wasn't really expecting a good quality launcher. So for the 700 I got all this stuff. So let me take it out. So we got a Alloy launcher, a launcher grip handle, and I don't know what it is called, but you know, like it goes something like that. So guys, we got a launcher grip, and I don't know what this is called. So if you know, let me know that in comment section. I will remember that. So before we put it all together, let me show you something. So this is my old Takara Tomy launcher, and you can see the Tomy Vietnam branding over here. I highly doubt it's gonna have the same thing, and in this one there is no branding over here. So obviously this is the Takara one, and this is the fake one which I bought from China. And this doesn't, you know, like it's not really that great, but we'll compare that in a moment. So let's assemble this. Okay, we got that right. Okay, so our launcher is ready. Wow, look at that, how amazing it looks. This just looks sick. So to compare this, I'm gonna do a test. So let me bring out my Stadium here, and I have already tried this launcher, that's why I'm giving you a comparison. So this is my variant Lucifer. So if a launch is not really that great, these tongues will not come out. So that's how we gonna identify if this launcher measures up to the Takara Tomy level. So but honestly, I'm gonna tell you, this launcher is not really that great, so I don't have my hopes up. चलो यार, इसको launch करते हैं. So you can see the tongues are hardly out on this bay. So let's give it one more shot. So I'm gonna launch it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And you can see the tongues are hardly out. So it's not really a great launch, obviously. So these Takara Tomy Alloy launcher, in my opinion, are not really that great for these Super King bass. But let me try this one. So I was amazed with the results. You can see now the tongues are more out. It looks way better, way faster. And I didn't even give you, like full whip. It's really long cord. The cord is really long. My setup is really small. I cannot show you how long it is. But let's give it a shot. You can see how vibrant it became. Let me give it another shot with the Takara Tomy one. So it's not really that fast, you can see. But if I do the same launch with the fake one, I mean, that is some sick thing Chinese did. Now you can see the launch, these tongues, they are really out. So this launcher is really amazing. I mean, for $799, I think this is just great. So guys, let me take it out. So here are the two launchers. This is my old Takara Tomy one, and this is the fake launcher. So take your pick, guys. I mean, honestly speaking, I am not getting any money or anything, but I seriously like that it has some good power. It can be used. And my favorite type of launchers are right now these ones. They are much more reliable. They give a lot of power. I am about to get the sword launchers, but let's hope I'll get them soon and I'll update you. But for now, this is gonna be my second best pick for the day. So guys, I think that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna wrap this video up. So I'll see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.